Hey guys, it's Brian again with another fan video, and what I have for you here is a 48-inch Evergo ceiling fan from the early 1980s. It's model 4E-3LW, brown in finish with antique brass blade badges and an antique brass nut on the bottom of the motor, which makes it adaptable for a light kit. It's a J-hook mount fan, basically an industrial fan motor with wood blades. And this one has the more unique set of blades on it, what I like to call the Leslie Locke blades, because a lot of these fans that were made by Union / Evergo were marketed through different labels. Some were Montgomery Ward, I've seen Miami Carey, Evergo, I've seen a bunch of other labels, and one of them being Leslie Locke, which was a company based out of Akron, Ohio. This one's labeled Evergo, but it has the blades that you would typically find on a Leslie Locke fan, although because these were cross-marketed through different companies, quite honestly, you can't even really say that these are specific to Leslie Locke because I have seen these on other Evergo Union products. But nonetheless, it's a cool fan. Moves a ton of air. It's actually very heavy. It's got a cast iron spinner motor. And I have it hooked up right now to my testing rig that has the 2 amp variable speed control. I'm going to do 2 different sets of tests on this fan, the first one being with the variable speed control and the second one being with the 4-speed control. So starting off the fan, we're going to start on the lowest speed. It spins pretty slow. It's really nice. I have the low speed trim on the speed control adjusted so that it won't stall out. Unfortunately, when you have fans running on a fully variable speed control, they have a tendency to hum, as you can hear, and it reverberates through the blades. Kind of a cool sound to it though, quite honestly. I really don't mind it, but I can see how that would get annoying. I'll give it a slight turn. Moving a pretty nice little breeze on this speed. Turn it up a little more. Definitely moving a lot stronger air. You can definitely feel this one. Another turn. This is closer to high. It does have a slight wobble to it. Very strong amount of air coming out of this fan. It's moving pretty quick. These are known for being pretty fast, so let's go ahead and turn it all the way up. Oh yeah, this thing is absolutely hauling ass right now. Got a really cool sound to it when you stand right underneath it. Kind of reminds me of a plane propeller or a helicopter. Yeah, it's just cranking out air. Go ahead and shut it off and we'll do spin down. The bearings in this fan are absolutely perfect. So this one is probably going to take a while to spin down. These are major childhood fans for me. I have quite a few of these Union Evergo made spinner fans. I've seen them in various places throughout the years, but the most memorable one is my Miami Carry, which is a 52-inch one that's on my channel here. That one, there was a hair salon that my mom used to go to when I was a kid that had a polished brass Miami Carry ceiling fan with white blades. And I have a lot of fond memories. That was actually on a variable speed control. I have a lot of memories of playing with that as a kid while my mom used to get her hair done. So these fans are very special to me. And it's very rare that I will ever let one go after picking it up. But I suppose if I have multiples of something, I would. And at the current moment, this is the only one that I own that has these blades. And I really like it. And this really has a nice spin down. So there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and hook up my 4-speed control and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. This time I've got the 4-speed controller hooked up. This is a 4-speed Lutron controller rated for 1.5 amps. So we're going to start this one out on the lowest speed. I actually like the low speed that this control gives out. Very, very quiet. Does have a little bit of a hum to it, but you really can't hear it unless you're looking for it. Moves good air, nice gentle breeze. So now I'm going to turn it to medium. Pretty good medium speed. This is more like a medium low. Put it to high. This is more like a medium speed or more like medium high. You can definitely feel the air moving on this one. And finally, all the way up to max. And as usual, it's cranking out air and hauling ass. So I'm not going to do a spin down because I just did that in part 1 of the video, but that is my 48-inch Evergo spinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.